Hello, my dear student. A very good morning on behalf of Rasa International School. Today I am going to teach you English rhyme. A rhyme name is Rain, Rain, Go Away. It is on page number 8. So let's start without wasting much time. Open your book. As you can see on this page. Topic name Rain, Rain, Go Away. Start. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Very good, kids. Again with me. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Very good, kids. एक बार फिर से बोलते हैं. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Very good, kids. I hope you have understood. Keep practicing it at home. Have a nice day. Thank you.